Hello, welcome to Sharmit. In this session, we will discuss another method of Python, which is decode. Decode method is mainly used to decode the string into some particular readable form, or you can say some of the encoding styles. Okay, so like if you remember in our previous session, in one of the session we have discussed about the encode method, what it do like it was used to perform the to encode the string, right? So same thing like we will do here, but in a reverse mode. Here we will do the decoding of the encoded string. Okay, so first of all we will take the input as a encoded string, and then we will use this method to convert it to decoded string. So there are few scenarios I have noted it here, so let's discuss one by one each scenario. So in first scenario you can see that we are storing the string as b, then inside a quote I have written hello world. So what it means, this is a encoded string which is showing the byte sequence characters, right? So this is one of the encoding form. Now what we will do, we will decode this string into UTF-8. So how to do that? For that, firstly you have to write variable name dot decode method, and inside a parenthesis you can pass the decoding style. So I want to decode it into UTF-8, so that's why I have passed it as UTF-8. So these are some decoding style that you can refer from internet, like whatever the data is relevant to that, you have to pass the decoding style. Okay, so let's quickly run this program and see what output we are getting for the first one. So I will write Python here space session43.py, and if I hit enter here, so it will show that hello world. Okay, so it is printing hello world. Why? Because previously it was byte sequence hello world or encoded hello world, but now it is just hello world. Okay, now look at the second scenario. Here we are using the same string, but this time we are converting it with ASCII character and decoding it with ASCII character. Although you will not see much difference here because both the string output is same, but here we are converting it in the terms of ASCII character, and here we are converting it in terms of UTF-8. But the last two scenario will be the more clear to you, because here we are doing the actual conversion. So you can see the encoded string is not in a readable form. You can't able to read this string, right? But the moment when we decode this into Latin-1, then it will be readable, it will be in readable form. So you can see that this string is converted to Latin, right? So this is the one way through which we can decode the string into Latin-1. Similarly, if you would like to convert into some other language, let's say Chinese or any other language, so in that case you can provide the decode argument accordingly. So here you can see that I have stored the string as B, then there are few characters, right? So we are using encoder string dot decode with CP1252. So this is how it converts. So this is the decoded but in other language. Okay, so as per your requirement you can find out like in which form your data is, and equivalent you can find the argument, means the decoding style, and then you can pass inside it the decode method, and it will automatically decode your data. Usually we go with means we use these two method, encode and decode, together, because encode is used to convert some readable text into encoded form, and then decode is used to convert encoded data into some readable form. So they both work oppositely. Okay, so yeah, these are the some scenarios that we can utilize with decode method, and there are many more things that you can use with this decode, so you can explore that. So that's all for this session. I hope it is clear to all of you. In the next session we will discuss few more things. So thank you for watching Tech Sharmit.